We're still in the section of Comprehending God's Order in Gallery 3 of AlMadar. It is a gallery which we believe starts with astronomy, so we're very much still in the section of astronomy and science. We spend a lot of time here, and if we do that, it is because we believe that the planets and the movement of the stars held enormous significance for the Muslims. Before I speak about this wonderful collaboration, which was between the Victoria and Albert Museum, between the Vatican, and between the Museum of Islamic Art in Qatar, at no point in Islamic history did the Muslims ever believe the earth was flat. Gazing upon the stars tells a remarkable story of a man called Abdul Rahman Azzam, a 10th century astronomer. There's this constant belief that in this golden era, the Bayt al-Hikmah, that the Muslims were copying the Greek. Yes, Muslims were copying the Greek works because these Greek works held tremendous knowledge, but they were also correcting the Greek works. The Islamic legacy is not just one of passive translation, it is one of active participation. Abdul Rahman Azzam was very familiar with Ptolemy's Almagest, which is, of course, is the main work for early astronomical work. And he studied it very carefully. He actually advised those people who read his manuscripts not to read them, but to stand in the middle and to hold the manuscripts up, so he can see the movement of the planets in the same way he's reflected them. But he did something else. He understood that the Arab tradition was an ancient, classical, rich tradition, that the early Arab understood the stars as well as the Greeks understood them. So what we have in gazing upon the stars is a rich legacy of, on the one hand, the genius of Abdurrahman As-Sufi, the debt which he owed to Ptolemy's Almagest, but also the integration of Ptolemy's Almagest and the observation of this movement on the stars and the planets, and honoring it and harmonizing it with the local Arab tradition which existed pre-Islamic and which made such a rich legacy to Islamic knowledge.